I'm replacing the windshield sprayer motor. On the tracker, it's attached to the reservoir. Unplug the connector. I've already checked the voltage, plugged in my multimeter here, hit the button, and the voltage is fine, but it's the motor that's out. It's 10mm bolts. And get a magnet so you can catch the bolt before it falls. And the bolt still fell. I'll get it afterwards. There's the bolt. Now, it's still got liquid in it, so be careful when you disconnect. It's no fun to fill up that mess. Alright. Put it up high so it doesn't leak. Just pull right out. It might be a little stuck in there. It's got a really good seal. Very carefully apply pressure to remove it from the seal. Because some of this stuff gets old and brittle and you don't want to break it. Actually, I'd suggest not using something metal like the screwdriver I'm using. Something rubber tipped. I don't have anything at the moment, so. It's easier to drain this if you have something to drain it in. I'm trying to do it the quick way. Almost out. Out. There we go. I'm just going to drain the little bit that's in there back in. Remove this rubber seal. The new one comes with one, and it has a screen on it. Keep particles out of there, and place that in there, just like that. You'll hear it'll pop when it's in place. As long as you don't need to replace your hose, just place it right back on there. And check for leaks. Oop. Well, my hose is leaking. Looks like it's a little old, so I am going to cut the end of this hose off. Just the end. It's lost its seal. And then place it back on. See the flared out part? That part, it's been stretched out too long, so just cut right before it. Throw that little piece away. Or drop it on the floor like I just did, and I'll pick it up later. Put the tip of something that's a little larger, preferably steps up in size. Then we can stretch the end out, put it back on. And there it goes. There we go. As you can see, there's an air bubble. The air's not getting through. There's definitely no leak. Be careful about squishing the hose. That's since it's sitting underneath it. And mount it back in place. Bolt number 2 is a little deep in there, so I'm going to have to be very carefully not to drop the bolt. And get it started. Use this magnet. Hold it, please. Snug. You don't want to do it too tight. You'll break the plastic. I've done that many times. Alright. Now plug the connector back in. It should clip in place. There you go. Now let's turn it on and see how it goes. Heard the motor kick on, saw the water spray, and you're good to go.